Hello, this is Buckaroo Popcorn. My silly voice episode. No, just kidding. Yeah, another video. This one's about using Overviwer, which makes isometric maps. Now, I'm running Windows 8, and I'm using Classic Shell, which gives me a start menu, so I can easily navigate around. So, but if you're using the Metro whatever interface that Windows comes with, yeah, this should be easy enough to do anyway. So, basically, you have to get the Overviewer, which you get at overviewer.org, and you'll need to know what kind of Windows you have. If you have 64-bit or 32-bit, which is easy to find, just mouse over to the top right corner, go to settings and click on PC info, and it will tell you there what kind you're using. And Overviewer takes up quite a few resources, so you can expect it to take a while. I ran the 32-bit, and to compile my map took a long time. Now this is just in my C drive. Username C drive is where I compile everything because it makes things a lot easier. So in the 32-bit it took me about 4 hours to render a map, but in the 64-bit it's considerably faster. So, and this is what it gives you, an isometric map. So this is Apvia, and down here the ruins of Minas Tirith from Lord of the Rings and the city I put beside it, and my latest city here, which I posted some screenshots. I haven't actually done a video. I'm going to do a video of it, do a run through. Haven't done that yet, but plan to. I'm working on this one here, medieval. So it gives you a chance to see. You can plot out where you want to put roads, lets you see where other towns are, sort of plan out what you're going to do, also make some pretty neat maps because you can take screen captures and stuff. I'll do a video on that maybe next. There's one of the modified temples they've built that's on the way from the medieval city over to this city. I'm not sure exactly why. Well, I'm going to build a big suburb in here actually. That's going to happen. I'm probably going to start on that today, so I'll make a video of that. And how I do that kind of crap, if anybody cares. So, yeah, that's it. So you grab it at overviewer.org, decide which kind you need, the 32-bit or the 64-bit, and what you'll get is a folder that you extract called Overviewer. Extract that and then put it just in your C drive here, because it is a command line application, so you'll need to run it from command line. Now what I do, because I've found it to be the easiest thing, I've got a shortcut to my Minecraft folder here, so it allows me to go right into my saved worlds. But as most of you probably know where that is, but I'll just cover it anyway. You go on your C drive, you find users, then you go into your username. This computer's name is Kato. Then you go into app data, roaming, then you find your .minecraft folder, and then you go into saves, and that's where your worlds are. So the world that you want to map out, you just grab it and move it over into your onto your C drive. Now you don't have to do that. It's just I've found for myself this is a hell of a lot easier than trying to type everything in command and remember this great big long address, which I know lots of people can, much smarter than me. Because I can't remember more than a few words strung together at once, right? Which is why I'm using Windows. So, yeah. So I don't know what I'll do here. I'll do this map just for the hell of it. This is my nephew. So I'll copy that world, and then I will go into my C drive and I'll just paste it here. Now the reason I'm doing that is because it's way easier, and I'm just gonna rename it, and I'll just call it in lowercase just, because why not? So there it is. There's my world just. Now I need to fire up Overviewer, and the way Overviewer works is again command line. So now I use classic shell, so I just go down into my run. Now if I was using regular Windows, I would search my apps. So if I went into apps, whoop, I don't even know how to get over there actually. It's kind of funny. Alright, my mouse disappears on the left side of my screen because I'm using 2 monitors. So yeah, I'm just gonna do it this way. You just type in CMD and it brings up the command prompt. Now you have to get out of this. You'll see I'm in C Windows System 32, so I need to change my directory. So you just go change directory and a space and a couple dots, and it takes me into Windows. I want to change directory again, space, couple dots. There I am. Then I want to type change directory, which is CD. So you just type CD and then you write overview. Overviewer. Now I'm in Overviewer. So now I can actually run Overviewer. So I want to write overviewer.exe because I've thrown the Overviewer folder on my C drive. That's how come I can get in there. And this is why I put that world. I went and copied my world from the save folder in my Minecraft over onto my C drive because it just makes it a whole hell of a lot easier, and you'll see why in a minute. So I want to go whoops, it doesn't really actually matter if you do capitals or not, but it's there's no reason. So I want to go, no reason to use capitals. Linux is case sensitive, Windows isn't case sensitive, so if I start using case in Windows, it's confusing for me. So anyway, blah blah. So and that's wrong. Why did I do that? That's not gonna work. Do that. Alright, you want C:\\. Now this is going to be where your world is, so I called it just, and I want to save to C:\\. Now this is going to save on my C drive, so I'll hit just and I'll have it saved there. No, I won't. I'm going to call it just 01, and I'm going to give it a different name just so that I don't confuse it by opening up one file and one folder and then trying to save to the same folder I just opened. That would cause a big mess up. So I hit enter and then it starts working, and it takes, like I say, it'll take a little while depending on the size of the world. So thanks to computer magic, I'm going to pause it here and I'll be back in a minute. So as you can see, it's stopped now. I'm at 100% complete. So all I need to do is open it up, find the just 1001 folder, hit the index, and boom, there's the world. This is my nephew and I were playing on here. Now I remember this world. So we built a big tower and whatever, and did a little exploration. Didn't actually play all that long on here, but as you can see, it's a nice isometric or isomorphic view or isometric view. I've heard it said both ways. Yeah, so that's all there is to it. Good luck with it, and let me know. I'd love to see maps people make with this, because it's a great program. It makes huge files though. Posting them on the web so people can explore them, that's a little bit problematic. I wanted to do that with the Appvia map, but it's almost 5. Oh, I forget. It's just absolutely monstrous. So trying to find a place to put it on. Here, actually, I can tell you exactly how big it is. Yeah, it's in the gigabytes. And it's slow, like it's even slow when it's reading off of my hard drive, so you can imagine how it would be being served off of a server. These are available, I know, for you can do this with server maps and stuff. I did it when I had a server before. I had this map and it was just great. This goes into way more detail though. So yeah. See, 3.9 gigs. So it's big, but anyway, it's awesome, and it gives you lots to work with. So if you want to make a map, actually that's a nice. Whoops. One more. Just use the middle wheel to scroll around. Now that would be an awesome map. I'm going to take a screen print of that, and I'll just hit the print screen, and now I've got a isomorphic map. Ah, goddamn cloud, man. Wants to share everything. I hate that. So, that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, or if you didn't, please subscribe. If you didn't like it, please let me know why. You know, without just name calling or saying something, that'll let me know. Or if you do like it, let me know. And yeah, that's it. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. And see you next time.